shelf, hit dice. Don't know nobody that cook that nice. Grab me a spoon, grab me a spoon, grab me a spoon, grab me a spoon. What would you say? I won't eat twice. I want them seconds, that food that nice. Grab me a spoon, grab me a spoon, grab me a spoon, grab me a spoon. Walk on the potty and shelf, hit dice. Don't know nobody that cook that nice. Grab me a spoon, give me a spoon, grab me a spoon, give me a spoon. What would you say? I won't eat twice. Yes, I want seconds, the food that nice. Grab me a spoon, give me a spoon, grab me a spoon.
Yes, sir. Welcome to your boy channel. About to make it happen and again. It's Good Kitchen. So your boy went up to Walmart today and I picked up a couple items. So what I'm doing, I'm making a meal for a family of 7 under 40 bucks. We're gonna make some chili and we're gonna spread it out. So what I have right here, I have me some chili beans, 2 cans of chili beans, 2 cans of kidney beans. What's this right here? A tomato sauce. We're gonna use some of that ground turkey right there. Some tater tots. Also have some weenies right there, some hot dogs. You know, we got our mild chili seasoning, some buns. So we're about to make it happen right here in this Good Kitchen. We're gonna go ahead and spread it out. And like I say, 5 adults, 2 teams. Under 40 bucks. You can't beat that. Let's make it happen. Okay, so we have our Dutch oven. We're gonna put our ground turkey in there. Break this meat up, separate it, like so. Alright. Have to cut the video off for a second. You know, the phones ring, and they got them little ringtones, so I don't want that in my video. Alright, so we go ahead and let this ground turkey cook. We're not gonna season it yet. Look how our ground turkey is already. We'll add our seasoning, dash, garlic powder, mix that in. You don't gotta too much go heavy on the seasoning, because we already have the chili. We'll add tomato sauce. Mix that in. Ooh. Catch that before we go to the bottom. We'll add another can of tomato sauce. Mix that in. It's a chili on the budget. And I'm gonna add two packs of this chili. Okay, we got our chili in. Seasoning. Mix all that together. Start out in. Okay, so I'm gonna let this go ahead and cook on medium. And when I'm satisfied with the cooking, for about, I'll say 10 minutes, we'll add our beans. Okay, so we'll go ahead and add our chili beans. Ooh, that stuff flying. Let me turn it down on low. It's kind of popping. Alright. So I drank the kidney beans, but I kept the juice for the chili beans. So we have our beans in there. Mix them together. Mix everything together. Just like that. So we're gonna let this cook with the top on for 20 minutes on medium. Okay, so this chili, it's looking good, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and transfer this to the crock pot so it can stay warm. Alright, so we'll go ahead and spray our pan with that buttery flavor. Just like so. And then we're gonna open our tater tots. And we'll place them in there. Remember, we're on a budget. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and sprinkle it with some of this DAR seasoning. There we go right there. If you're trying to stay away from the salt, this right here help you. That dash. That's that garlic and herb. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and put the oven on 400. It's preheated on 400. We'll put them in there, let them do their thing. Okay, so we have our chili beans in the crock pot. We have it on warm, so it can stay warm until we get all the good food nice and ready. Now we'll go ahead and spray some of that spray on there. And there we go. It's going right in the oven on 400. Yeah. Alright, so we here now. Dinner is done. Dinner is ready. So this is what your boy did right here. I made the bowl of chili. I made the chili cheese fries and the chili dogs. You know what I mean? Made it happen right here in my good kitchen. Did my thizzle. So I guess this is the part when my good family and friends want me to taste my cooking. So we're gonna start with the chili first. You know what I mean? Boom. We'll mix in some of that sour cream. Yeah. Boom. This bad boy hot. Yeah, that's right. Sure is. Bite for the family. Alright. So we have the chili cheese fries right here. So these These tater tots is Sonics. We'll grab one of these bad boys. Well, oh yeah, that's right. For sure. Mm-hmm. Chili cheese dog. We'll bust it open like that there. You know what I mean? Who eat a chili cheese dog with a fork? I did just for right now. Alright, hold on. Bust it open one time. Yep. So that's how we doing it. Feed a family of 7 under 40 bucks. Rock with it. It's about that time. Summertime is almost up with. Winter time, ain't nothing like a bowl of chili. So we're about to go ahead and close this video. Peace.